In this video, I'll show you how to recover LinkedIn account without email and phone number. Losing access to both your email and phone number can feel stressful, but LinkedIn does have an account recovery path for this situation. According to LinkedIn Help, if you cannot recover your password and no longer have access to any email addresses or phone numbers connected to the account, LinkedIn may help you regain access by verifying your identity. To get started, open the LinkedIn sign-in screen and tap or click Forgot Password. After that, LinkedIn asks you to enter the email address or phone number currently associated with your account. This part is important because even if you no longer have access to them, LinkedIn still wants you to identify the account using information already linked to it. On the next screen, if you cannot access the verification method shown, select Can't access this email. Or if LinkedIn shows multiple options, choose Don't have access to any of these. After that, LinkedIn can move you into an identity verification flow. LinkedIn says this process may use Persona, where you verify that you are the real account owner. You may be asked to enter a new email address that you want linked to the account, and on desktop, LinkedIn may first show a QR code that you scan with your phone to continue the verification on mobile. During identity verification, LinkedIn says you may need to upload a valid, unexpired, government-issued ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. In some cases, Persona may also ask for a photo of your face to match it against the ID. LinkedIn also notes that if you do not want to submit a government ID or selfie, there may be other recovery options, although availability can vary by case. A good tip here is to make sure the ID photo is clear, well-lit, and fully visible. LinkedIn says blurry or obstructed images can affect verification. Also, enter a new email address that you can access right away, because that may become the address LinkedIn uses to continue the recovery process. One more thing to remember is that LinkedIn says it does not offer a customer support phone number. So if you see a website claiming it can recover your LinkedIn account by phone for a fee, that is not LinkedIn support. That's how to recover LinkedIn account without email and phone number. Use the Forgot Password option, choose the No Access Recovery path, complete identity verification, and add a new email so you can get back into your account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.